What's good, guys? Today's the last part of this redesign tier list. Okay, after like 3 parts and I added a half part, I'm trying to do it. Straight on. I'm neutral to his redesign. It's good and all, but the hair kind of ruined it for me. Like, okay. Susanna, I like her redesign. Despite me neutral to her, I think her redesign fits her. Martin, decent. I love Mizuho's redesign. Yes, I do like Mizuho. She's one of my favorite Japanese Miis, if I'm being honest. Please keep in mind that I do not ship Akira with Mizuho, because it's all generic and overrated ship. Yast's redesign is also the GOAT. And one of the redeeming qualities is the anime hair. I love the anime hair with a passion. Lucia, I like her redesign. She's like a nerd now. I love nerds. I like Skip's redesign. Wait, no, I don't. Wait. Not only do I like it, but I love it. I love it. But children with wrinkles just... Yeah, I mean, that's when they get older. I love nerds, by the way. Ivo, it's average. Nothing to say that much. Wonder who that is. Okay, let's go to the CPU chart. It's from the Wii U, I see. I think that's Bernardo. I also say it's kind of average. Faustine, I like it. Yeah, I also like her. Who's that? I think that's Ian. I find it quite average. The hair just ruined it for me. And like I said in the previous part, I don't like this hair all that much. So that's why I'm saying that. Miyu, she looks like if she was all grown up. Wow, I love it. Akira. Is that Akira again? Yep. I think it's also kind of decent. Despite me not liking this Akira all that much, I could say that it's kinda average or decent. Michael? Wow. He is the Fortnite kid that is now all grown up. Wow. Also kinda average, by the way. Susie? Oh, I love it. The hair is everything. Is part of the redeeming qualities. I just love this hair. Leonie. Decent. You don't like this redesign all that much. Reiner. I think it's average. And Stephanie's, I like it. Okay, that was all. Hope you like it.